How to enable subtitles on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to another Skillshare tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can enable subtitles for your Skillshare classes. And to do so is very simple. So just follow along. The first step is to sign in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here. And then once you've logged in, you'll be brought to the home page where you can see some icons at the top part of the screen, which includes browse, learning part, session, etc. And the next step would be for you to select the class whose top subtitles you would like to see. So for me, I'll be making use of this graphic design masterclass, and I'll just click on it. So after clicking on the class, you'll be taken to the page where you would see details about the class, where you would see reviews about the class and all of that. And then if you've registered or you've taken a membership, you've paid for a membership already, you'll be able to start the class immediately. And so for you to enable subtitles, just move over to the video and then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see the tools for you to customize the video. You can see the speed, you can see the rewind button, you can see the note button, and the next step is for you to click on the subtitles button. Then after doing that, you can see the different languages available on the site. You can see English, Portuguese, French, German, and Espanol. So you can go ahead and select the subtitle that you would like to see. For me, I prefer English, and then I'll select it. And then after selecting it, you would see that the subtitle will start appearing, as you can see on my screen. It is that simple. Okay, this is how you can enable subtitles for your classes on Skillshare. It's very amazing, so ensure you do that. And you can also do the same for other languages. All right, for example, this is Portuguese, and as you can see, the language has changed. So that is it. Very simple. Just ensure you try it out. Thank you.